Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you Kafka real-time interview questions with answers from 1 to 5 out of 250 interview questions. Before going to the questions, please subscribe my channel, like it and click on bell button. How is the Kafka messaging system different from other messaging framework? Kafka is a messaging framework developed by Apache Foundation, which is used to create the messaging system along with fault-tolerant cluster and with the low latency system to ensure end-to-end delivery. Below are the bullet points. I have provided some other features. Kafka is a messaging system which has provided fault-tolerant capability to prevent the message loss, and also it design on public subscribe model. And Kafka cab support both Java and Scala. So it supports both Java and Scala languages. Kafka was originated at LinkedIn and later became an open source Apache project in 2011. Works seamlessly with Spark and other big data technology. So it supports cluster mode operation. Kafka messaging system can be used for web service architecture or big data architecture. Kafka is to code and configure as compared to other messaging framework. Kafka required other components such as the zookeeper to create a cluster and act as a coordination server. So next question is, what are the key features of Kafka? Kafka provides a reliable delivery for messages from sender to receiver. Apart from that, it has other key features as well. So those are Kafka is designed for achieving high throughput and fault-tolerant messaging services. Kafka provides built-in federation called as a topic. So it has a topics. So also provide the feature of replication. Kafka provides a queue which can handle the high volume of data and eventually transfer the message from one sender to the receiver. Kafka also persisted the message in the disk along with it has ability to replicate the messages across the cluster. Kafka worked with Zookeeper for coordination and synchronization with other services. Kafka has good inbuilt support Apache framework. I mean Spark. So to utilize all these key feature, we need to configure the Kafka cluster properly along with the Zookeeper configuration. So next question is benefits of using Kafka than other messaging services like JMS, RabbitMQ doesn't provide. Nowadays, Kafka is a key messaging framework, not because of its features, even for reliable transmission of messages from sender to receiver. However, below are the key points which should consider. There is reliability. Kafka provides a reliable delivery from publisher to a subscriber with zero message loss. And also scalability. Kafka achieved this ability by using clustering along with the Zookeeper coordination server. Next one is durability. By using distributed log, the messages can persist on disk. Next one is performance. Kafka provides high throughput and low latency across the publish and subscribe application. Considering the above features, Kafka is one of the best options to use in big data technologies to handle the large volume of messages for a smooth delivery. Next question is, what is topic replication factor? Topic replication factor is a very important factor within Apache's Kafka systems. If a broker goes down for whatever reason, another broker's replicated topics can pick up the slack without data loss. So name three well-known Apache Kafka Streams use cases. So I have given three. The New York Times uses Apache Kafka to store and send published content to different applications to reach readers. And then Line. Line uses Apache Kafka to make it possible for users to communicate with each other using a central data hub. Next one, Zalando. Zalando used Apache Kafka as an enterprise service bus. That's all for today. Thank you, friends. We will see the remaining questions in the upcoming videos. Thank you, friends.